In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate SAP Business One and Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Zoho CRM to locate the official integration and get yourself ready for a smooth connection between your ERP and your CRM. This is ideal if you want customer, product, or sales data to stay consistent across systems and reduce manual data entry. We'll begin right inside Zoho CRM. Make sure you're signed in to the correct organization and that your profile has permission to access extensions or the marketplace. If you're unsure, a quick check with your CRM administrator saves time later. Once you're on the Zoho CRM home screen or any module view, you're in the right place to proceed. Next, open the Zoho CRM marketplace. Depending on your layout or theme, you can usually find this from the Setup or Tools area, often represented by a gear or wrench icon near the top right. Look for the section labeled Marketplace or Extensions. The Marketplace is where Zoho centralizes vetted apps and connectors, so you can browse trusted solutions instead of building everything from scratch. It's also the best place to confirm compatibility, security, and support details in one location. With the Marketplace open, use the search bar and type SAP B1. You can also try SAP Business One if you prefer the full name. The goal here is simply to surface the integration listing so you can review its overview, supported additions, and any prerequisites. After typing, you should see results related to SAP Business One. This is where you validate that the connector matches your region, edition, and version requirements. Take a moment to note the publisher, last updated date, ratings, and the summary of what the integration does, such as syncing key records or mapping fields. These details help you understand scope and fit before taking any further action. If the listing doesn't appear, double-check your spelling, clear any marketplace filters that might be narrowing results, and try the alternate search term. Occasionally, access can vary by region or role, so confirming permissions with your admin can resolve most issues quickly. That's it for today's walkthrough. You navigated to Zoho CRM, opened the marketplace, and searched for SAP B1 to locate the SAP Business One connector. From here, you're well positioned to review the integration's capabilities and determine whether it aligns with your organization's requirements and policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you a clear, confident starting point for bringing SAP Business One and Zoho CRM together.